Hi guys. Okay, so I wanted to talk to you about the Facebook group Magnanimous Money Mindset by the very beautiful Gull Khan. And basically, I just completed a free 5-day challenge in that group, and I highly recommend that you pop over there because the videos are still there, so you can watch them on replay. And I learned so much. I mean, it was just incredible. It was just so incredible. And so, I'm a person that likes to do like positive affirmations, like I am happy, healthy, and wealthy, and what I learned from that class is that, you can do affirmations all day long. I am wealthy, I am wealthy, I am rich. But if you have negative, sort of unconscious belief systems that are about wealth, about money, that you're not aware of, but yet they're sort of in that you've picked them up from the collective or even past lives. We get so many beliefs around money that are so deeply ingrained, and we don't even know that they're there anymore. So Goal went over 50 limiting beliefs around money, and it just blew my mind just wide open, because I realized that I've been operating from quite a number of these limiting beliefs. And what happens, and Goal said something that was very profound. She said, it's not that you're stuck in procrastination. It's that you're stuck in your limiting beliefs. And sometimes I think that I know that I've had this thought of like, I'm just being lazy, or I'm just procrastinating, or, why haven't I, done X, Y, and Z? And if you have these, subconscious beliefs that you're operating from around money, then there's going to be a part of you that's not going to want to actually have money in your life, because maybe you have an unconscious belief that money is bad, or that money is dirty, or that if I that trying to get money will make me greedy, like a greedy person, or that people who have money are bad, or that if I get money, I'll become bad, like it will change who I am as a person. Or, there's so many poor people in the world. It's not fair if I have money, right? And this idea that if other people are suffering, why should I have money? And uncovering that belief and realizing that, you not having money is not helping them at all. In fact, if you had money, you could help them. So it's just sort of like these ideas that we don't even know that we have them, because they're operating, like I said, like underneath the surface, but they are actually really impacting our lives and the choices that we make around allowing money into our life. So it was a 5-day class, and it was just really life-changing for me. I got so much out of it, and I just wanted to let you guys know about it. Gull Khan's Facebook group is called Magnanimous Money Mindset. Magnanimous Money Mindset. And the videos are right there for you to watch. So I highly recommend that you pop over and check them out. So thank you so much for listening.